Hello students, my name is Sandeep Sani and we are going to start the lectures of forestry having a course code of BSAG 10319 onwards. Today we will start the lecture of basic terms related to forestry. We are going to start with the introduction, that what is agroforestry or what is forestry. So agroforestry is a collective name for land use system involving trees combined with crops and or animals on the same unit of land. तो एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री कलेक्टिव नेम दिया गया है उस लैंड को जहाँ पे ट्रीज़ के साथ साथ क्रॉप्स भी ग्रो करते हैं या फिर उस लैंड पे एनिमल्स भी रेयर करते हैं. तो इट कंबाइंस द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ मल्टीपल आउटपुट्स विद प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ रिसोर्स स्पेस, places emphasis on the use of multiple indigenous trees and shrubs. It combines particularly suitable for low input conditions and fragile environment. It involves the interplay of socio-cultural values more than in most other land use systems. It is structurally and functionally more complex than monoculture. So, next, agroforestry is any sustainable land use system that maintains or increases the total yield by combining food crops with trees crops or livestock on the same unit of land, either alternatively or at the same time, using management practices that suit the social and cultural characteristics of the local people and the economic and ecological condition of the area. सो एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री उसे बोला जाता है जहाँ पे जिस लैंड पे आप साथ साथ में प्लांट्स और साथ साथ में अपना लाइव स्टॉक और साथ में ही अपनी क्रॉप को ग्रो करवाते हो ऑन द सेम यूनिट ऑफ लैंड. और उस ट्रीज़ को उगाने का कौन बेनिफिट ले रहा है? सोशल एंड कल्चरल पीपल्स, और वो उस एरिया के और लोकल पीपल की इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस को भी इंक्रीज करता है. दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री. देयर इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर डेफिनेशन, दैट इज़ एग्रो फॉरेस्ट्री इज़ अ कलेक्टिव नेम फॉर अ लैंड यूज सिस्टम एंड टेक्नोलॉजी whereby woody perennials are deliberately used on the same land management unit as agricultural crops or animal in some form of spatial arrangement or temporal sequence. In an agroforestry system, there are both ecological and economical interactions between the various components. So, here we have broad leaved forest. इस डायग्राम में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा घना जंगल दिखाई दे रहा है जिसे कहते हैं ब्रॉड लीव फॉरेस्ट. इन नेक्स्ट पिक्चर वी हैव कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट. कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट आर द टॉल ट्रीज जो आपको हिमालयाज में भी पाए जाते हैं, दैट आर कॉनिफेरस फॉरेस्ट. नाउ वी हैव ओपन फॉरेस्ट and medium dense forest and very dense forest. As you can see, in open forest there is so much gap between the trees. In medium dense forest there is less gap, and in very dense forest there is no gap between the trees. Next is deciduous trees. The trees lose their leaves in the fall, that are called deciduous trees. Deciduous trees वो trees होते हैं जो अपने trees को leaves को fall कर देते हैं, that are called deciduous. And next one is the coniferous trees. These are the evergreen trees and they do not lose their leaves in the fall. They have needle-like leaves. So as you can see in the picture, these trees do not fall their leaves, are called coniferous. Now next is upper canopy. Upper canopy, you can see top of the forest formed by leaves and branches of the tallest trees. Birds, for example, owls, insects, aphids or tents make their areas in their home. As you can see in the picture, there is underbrush, there is canopy also. Next terminology, it contains underbrush. Underbrush is the level before the forest floor. It is populated by ferns, wildflower, insects, small mammals, etc. Forest floor, the bottom level of the forest includes ground cover and soil. You will find the decomposer here. Leaf scar, the scar left by a leaf of a deciduous tree when the leaf falls off in the fall. griddle, a scar on the branch of a tree showing 1 year of the branch's growth. Next is pith, it is a central core of the tree. Next is bark, the outside covering of a tree. The function of bark is to protect and insulate the tree. And the next one is conchs, fungus found attached to tree trunks. It grows like step or shelves and have growth rings like trees. This is all about the terminology under agroforestry.